Let me show you how to master the 2-bead acrylic method. Let's get into it. First, you're going to want to start off with a big bead and place it right at the end of the free edge of the natural nail, and you want to smooth it out near the top of where you place the bead down and also pull it down towards the free edge. You want to try to get it as smooth as possible. I usually focus more on smoothing out the lower half, as the middle part, like where you place the bead down, is where you want your apex or the most like structure to be. So you want the bottom part to be as thin as possible. So you see me here wiping my sidewalls, pulling it down, smoothing it out, making sure that everything's flush, because it'll simplify it for our next step when we do our cuticle bead. Don't forget to seal off that end. This right here is where we're going to want our apex, right in the center right here. So next I'm taking a medium-sized bead and I'm putting it as close to the cuticle as I can, but not touching it. Here I'm going to zoom in real quick. You can see how I'm pushing the bead up into the cuticle, but not flooding the cuticle. So that's really important, and gravity is going to work it for you and pull it away from that cuticle. So you can see here how I'm focusing more on the end of the bead. So I'm still pulling it down, but I'm being a lot gentler near that apex. You see here how it's pretty flush in the cuticle area, and then it goes up into your apex and then back down into the free edge. So you can see our apex is like a little mountain. You want that to be the highest point of your nail. Hope this helps. Bye.